Once I'm showing my screen.
What?
Once I'm showing my screen, just sort this out because I wasn't able to schedule and zoom around because further I have to do right again. It will be a problem
No, no,
from
I will
me.
explain. When we only two people were there at that time, I'll explain. Now these people are there, right? So it's better. Uh, Better go ahead. I will explain afterwards.
Okay. Yes, guys. Yashaswini and the other guy who was there. I forgot his name.
Bhargav.
Madhu.
Bhargav.
Bhargav.
Madhu, he is on a journey.
Okay. Okay. So, guys. Yashaswini. Yeah, Bhargav. Can you please tell me about yourself first?
No, no, he cannot. His mic is having problem. You ask all the questions to Yashashwini. He will also go through those questions and he will prepare himself. He can't answer.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, Yashaswini, are you all done with the conceptual knowledge, learning everything? The other day I have told you, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, can you please start about your self introduction and then I'll ask you a few questions.
Okay. My name is Yashaswini CE. I have graduated in Computer Science and Engineering from Rajarajeshwari College of Engineering, Bangalore. I have 1 year of experience in technical support and customer service, and I have strong foundation in troubleshooting both hardware and software and providing remote assistance and ensuring customer satisfaction. My role is L1 support, which refers to initial point of contact and uh, with customer who refers technical assistance. It involves basic troubleshooting issues and resolution. L1 support technicians handle common straightforward problems and escalate complex issues to L2 support. Thank you.
No, no, ma. You have to tell me about yourself means you should add our tools also. Tools, little bit brief introduction in whichever tools we have some idea, so that they can cross question on those. So you are trapping them like that. You should tell. See, you know Active Directory and this Microsoft Teams. After that,
Yes.
that is remote assistant tool. Service now. What else, Pradeep?
Outlook also is this. Outlook.
Yeah, Outlook and ITIL. ITIL also you can mention. Okay,
Okay.
go ahead, Pradeep.
So, yeah, thanks for your introduction, Yashaswini. Could I have your time for some technical questions now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. And I'm as a user facing an issue logging into my uh, Teams. So, how do you help me out on that?
Um, Actually, I have a question. Are you asking this as a mock call or just you want me to explain what I will do in that scenario?
Yeah, it's like a mock call.
Okay. Thank you for contacting IT Service Desk. My name is Yashaswini. Uh, can you help me confirming your name?
My name is Pradeep.
Okay. Hi, how can I help you today?
I'm facing issue with my Teams. I don't know why it's not working. Can you please help me out with that?
Okay. Is as I understand, is this regarding your team's issue? Am I right?
Yes, yes, Microsoft Teams.
To move further, may I ask you a few questions?
Yes, you can.
Is this the first time you are using your team, or it was working earlier?
No, it was working earlier, but just recently it has started. This problem has recently started.
Do you see any error messages?
No, nothing as of now.
Okay, sorry. We are sorry to hear you are facing the issue. We will get this resolved as quickly as possible. Can I place your call on hold for 2 minutes while I check with my resources?
Yes, please.
Thank you for staying connected. We appreciate your patience. I'll take you through some troubleshooting steps I request you to follow.
Okay,
Okay. Try accessing Teams on the web.
okay,
Go to your Chrome browser and Chrome or any other browser you use and try accessing Teams there.
yeah, but it is not opening there.
In organizations, mostly you shouldn't use the word Chrome because they won't allow. Some
Okay.
some companies might allow, but most of the companies will prefer Microsoft products only, like Microsoft Internet Explorer for Windows 10 or Microsoft Edge for Windows 11. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Can you go to your Microsoft profile?
Okay,
Open your web browser and type myaccount.microsoft.com, or you can just
okay,
open your Microsoft 365.
okay. So you want me to open
Use
Microsoft
your account.
365 or
Yes. Open your Microsoft 365 application.
okay,
There, can you check for the subscription?
okay. 1 minute.
Is the Teams included in it?
Just a minute. I'm checking it.
Okay.
Yeah, I do have the subscription.
Okay. Is the Teams included in that license?
Yes, it is.
That is a wrong
Okay.
question, Ma. That is called a redundant question. Teams always will be included in it. Again, no need of asking.
Okay, sir. Since we tried all the possible troubleshooting steps and the issue still persists, I'll be transferring your call to L2 support. They will get the issue resolved.
Okay. So yeah, how much time could I
Is the
expect the
issue
results?
resolved? It will be within 5 to 8 minutes. The issue will be resolved.
Okay, do you want me to wait on call or will you guys follow up
Yes,
with
please
me?
wait on call. I'll be transferring this. Is the issue resolved?
I'm checking it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's working fine now. Thank you.
I'm glad that I helped you today. Is there anything else I may assist you with?
Yeah, that's it for now. I'll reach out if any further questions or queries.
If the problem still persists, feel free to contact us. We will be glad to help you out. Thank you for contacting IT Service Desk.
Thank you. You too. Have a great day. So, what I have observed is you haven't followed the organized pattern actually. While you are taking the client or the user through the troubleshooting steps. And second thing, you haven't mentioned the point of uninstall Teams and again reinstall it. So that it could be fixed. Point you didn't mention. And while you are escalating to L2, then you should mention the caller or the user that he has to wait on call, or will you follow via email or chat, or will you yourself call him back, or what is this, what is the approach you have to tell them, but you haven't told that because I have asked in written, and then you said that I have to wait for 5 to 8 minutes. So
Okay.
in real time, it doesn't go like that because see, you're going as an experienced. Unless you are a fresher, these would be not that much taken care of. But since you're trying as a experience of 1 year or 1 plus something, they'll try to see what is your approach and how you treat a customer, how you approach, and what kind of resolution you're giving, and also the timely response when the customer is on call, because it is all lively recorded, so you have to be careful about these things. And yeah, once you escalate to L2 and get the update, you can tell them, thanks for waiting for all this while, and here is the solution. I hope it works. If it didn't work, then you can please get back. Yeah, you mentioned, but the time frame or whatever you mentioned was after the user asking you. So just take care of that thing. And
Okay.
this is how it goes for any scenario. And typically it would be like, what all work you did in the past kind of question, and then you can take an example of your Teams not working, or Outlook not working, or kind of Windows not activated, anything among 13 scenarios that you are very well equipped with, and tell the same scenario in a detailed manner, so that the interviewer will understand that you did really work on those kind of scenarios. It won't be like, I asked you now about Teams not working and something like that. It won't be like that. They ask you just what you have done in the past, and can you please take me through that. So that is where you have to take some scenarios out of the list, and then you have to explain yourself, and that is where they'll understand your confidence and your conceptual knowledge. And that is in the first round of, that is in the second round of interview. First round will be just like introduction and what you have done in the past, and it would be overview kind of thing. Second would be this round, the one which we have conducted now, mock call. And third would be manager round or operational round. It would mostly be face to face or sometimes virtually, but it will be with the project manager, and he might ask you the same scenarios as I asked you now, or it might be different scenarios too, like, how do you what is VPN and how do you troubleshoot that. So all these scenarios, apart from the document, would also be asked. What is Active Directory? How do you use that? And what tool you used to use, and what is incident, what is request, and all such kind of things would also be asked. And what is a switch? What is a hub? All these things, I think you didn't research, after learning from the document, after learning from this document. You can do an additional research from your end, from YouTube and Google, to see what all IT interview questions or IT help desk interview questions would be asked. And there you'll know these kind of questions. And also you'll learn through your practical interviews when you attend. And as I told
Okay.
you, you can get the calls from Naukri after uploading the resume, but don't wait for them to call you. Upload the resume, update it on a daily basis. Keep updating on a daily, after 12 or 1, whatever time you feel like. Keep updating daily in Naukri portal, and then search in the keyword column about IT help desk jobs, and try to read through the job descriptions there, and apply from the Naukri portal instead of waiting for them to call you back. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how the approach should be. And that's it. Like, this is the whole interview process so far for IT help desk role. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
No, I do not have any questions.
So yeah, this is all about the IT help desk interview and how it goes. So just try to be conceptual as well as organized manner of explaining an issue, dealing with an issue. And Naukri part, which I said no. And also,
Okay.
just be confident when you're speaking. It shouldn't be just like, you're reading an answer kind of thing, or kind of reading a paragraph. It should appear like you are explaining something. Okay. So this
Okay.
is what all matters. And as I said, do research from your end as well, and about the scenarios that VPN or something which you haven't read earlier. So we
Okay.
are um, we are all discussing about it, like what all interview questions I faced, or me, sir faced, or Asma faced. We all will, keep it at one place and make a PPT and share you guys probably on weekend, Saturday or Sunday. We'll let you know the timings and all. But meanwhile, you have to do a research from your end as well, and it could
Pradeep,
help you out for.
Pradeep, sorry for
Yeah.
interruption. She made a doc based on VPN and it is good. VPN. and
Who, sir?
VMware, Yashaswini.
Okay.
It looks good, pretty
V
good.
VPN or VMware, sir?
Both.
Okay. So could you please tell me about VMware and how is it useful, Yashaswini?
Yes. VMware is a soft mm, VMware is a company that it
Hello?
Are you okay, ma?
yes. No,
Is it
sir.
like I'm missing the your voice or what? I didn't understand.
No, I'm not talking.
Okay.
Actually, I have to go through deep into it.
Yeah, so you have to be, very, and that is where I say, you have to be conceptually well when it
Yes,
comes to, technical part. Your communication comes into picture later part because anyways, customer would anyways understand what you're trying to say because it is all about the steps that you take him through. So just try to be conceptually, very well, and then you can build up the confidence with communication.
okay.
Ma, you explained earlier very nicely, right? Why you got struck? I don't understand.
Yes,
What is the problem? You are feeling nervous or what? He is also like, this is not real interview. He is also trying to help you. That's all.
yes, sir.
Are you feeling nervous?
A little. Yes, sir.
No need, ma. Okay, go ahead, Pradeep.
So yeah, as I said, it's a VMware is a software, and it is mostly used for virtual applications or virtual kind of handling things. I haven't dealt with it much, but what I feel is the security or the network security or the tools that we use will have more efficiency while you're doing using this VMware because it's all about virtual. It doesn't have the physical environment, but it will still help you to make through your tasks or whatever works you have related to software or technical tools, whatever. So there would be no physical presence, but it is a virtual thing that will improve your computer's efficiency. For example, you have one desktop and one software, then you can convert it into multiple PCs using this VMware by installing this VMware, and it will help you run as two desktops on one PC. You're understanding, right?
Yeah, I understand.
So virtually, physically you'll have one PC or one monitor, but you can do two the activities of two desktops or two units at once. So that will help you more reliability and also security, network security, and also the efficiency, like the same that GB or the space that we use for physical applications will also be same for virtualization software. And mostly it is used in companies in order to help the users in their troubleshooting or whatever application issues, because there might be many people reaching out to us, so we use that VMware. And that is it, you can say, as clearly as I said. And you can quote some examples if you have any, like VMware vCenter, and is an typical example where you can explain it with some examples like vSphere environment. Okay,
Yes.
those are all again deep diving things. So you can just tell the overview as I've told you now. And coming to VPN, you are aware about VPN?
Yes. VPN, it digitally connects a computer system with a with the remote server, um, that has a with a VPN provider. Okay,
Okay.
and it actually masks our IP address, and also the data will be encrypted, and it is secure.
Okay, so to add to your to your explanation, it is mostly used for us. We use it for secured connection and also
And
faster
site,
faster
yeah, to sidetrack
faster
the any websites.
yeah, it will help you reduce the malware attacks or something as phishing things, and it will help you divert the traffic, which is unnecessary traffic on on the public platforms, public networks, and it will help you get through the exact path, and you can use it as a secured connection, and no the chances of hacking are very minute. It won't happen on a random basis too, or any basis. The security is very high, and it also bypasses the websites that block or that hamper your system's performance or system efficiency. So it acts as a firewall, you could say. And you can also quote some examples for VPN like Cisco VPN, WebEx, and you can also learn about one VPN, and you can tell about it in clear manner. Like Cisco VPN we used to use Cisco VPN at our office, and we used to navigate through the applications or the resources that we have in a secured manner. And you can also tell that we used to do remote work from home job by using this VPN application, VPN provider. You can tell the examples as such, and this could be enough actually. And you can
Okay.
also abbreviate on that. They might ask you what is VPN, what is VPN port number. So there will be some things as such. Then you have
Okay.
to, no, yeah, you have to tell them all these things. So it comes through practice, and if you are researching more, okay, don't worry.
Okay.
So this is all I have from my end. You have anything, any questions, anything as such?
No.
Pradeep,
Yes, yes, sir.
can you throw a light on IPv6 and ITIL so that those people will get little bit clarity on that?
IPv6, sir.
Yeah.
IPv6, it is a latest version of IP, IP address. We are not yet using it. IP4, V4 is more prominent in most of the companies, and it is the address of IPv6 is also very different, and it's kind of hexadecimal uh, when it comes to IPv4. It is IPv4 is 32-bit, whereas IPv6 is with 128-bit address. So it is very we can't the hackers cannot get through the applications or the software that easily. So as of now, we are not using it. It is used for higher mechanisms where, like, in government organizations or kind of satellites launching. They use those in most prominently because it will help them transfer data on a or browse data or transfer data on a speeder basis, and also with good security. uh, it is mostly used in only government sectors as I've seen, and we use IPv4 as of now. And coming about ITIL, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, ITIL just stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It's like a framework where you have a lot of kind of software things used for our tools handling and our day-to-day activities handling in the technical environment. We could say the example as ServiceNow, and it is an example for ITIL. Uh, it will be helping us to help the users via tickets, via chats, and all. These all will be maintained by our superiors and IT admins. I mean, like core admins, I would say, not we. But it is just a good to know information from our end, like what it actually does. It will help the life cycle of the of the process that we do. It will help in operations, improvement of some, bringing some new, improvements for the technology, for the technical, resolutions and all. Uh, so yeah, you can say this in the interview, and that could be enough. You can say if you have an example, like it will also reduce the cost of the, assets and also the tools, and yeah, it help in integrating a lot of tools together actually, and it helps in most of the IT effective management, technical, and also troubleshooting things. So this is what you can say. Nothing much they expect because you are not into core ITIL framework thing. Since you are a help desk associate tier one or tier one associate, they won't expect much from you. This could be enough, and that's it, sir.
Yashashwini,
Yes, sir.
I told 4 topics, right? What are those?
Yes, sir.
ITIL, IPv6.
I, IPv6, ITIL, Windows 10 installation, and Windows 11 updation.
Pradeep, one doubt. Hello,
Okay.
Pradeep. Uh, can
Yes,
we
sir.
can we install Linux?
Linux.
Can we install Linux without pendrive bootable? Can we install it on a VMware?
Linux, I haven't tried it any point in my, so far. I have no idea about it. I think pen drive, yeah, you could, but the chances of getting your PC into viral attacks is more because pen drive is not a safer option actually.
No, my doubt is can we install Linux operating system on a VM virtual machine without pendrive without bootable pendrive?
I'm not sure about it, but I think we can because we at office use Microsoft Windows only, not Linux. So I think we can because it is also compatible, and yeah, as long as you boot and you use the bootable pen drive and do that, yeah, it is all fine, and you can run on your VMware.
Hmm? That booting can
Hello?
can I do can I do booting without a pendrive bootable pendrive?
I don't think so. It is possible, sir.
Okay. I need to make it bootable pendrive with the help of daemon tools. I need to take ISO file and mount it. Then I need to install step by step. That is a uh, classical procedure. Can't we take from the cloud directly?
Cloud, I am not aware of that, sir.
Okay. Okay. Please, guys, if you have any doubts, Yashashwini, ask Ma if you have any doubt. He will clarify in our whole training.
So, uh, I want to know more about change management.
No, no, those things
Change.
Asma will handle.
Okay. Okay. Apart from that,
Do you know Pradeep? Change that thing. Do you know? Do you have any idea? Change management and
Change. Change management, I am not really aware of it, but Uh,
Asma will deal.
I think
Not an issue. Asma will deal it.
I think she's in there.
No, she posted on WhatsApp stating that her power got shut down, so she is not able to join the call.
Okay. So probably on PPT tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll have PPT, right?
Yeah,
We'll
yeah,
discuss there.
yeah. And
So
Pradeep,
yeah, that's it.
you do one thing.
Yeah.
You will post in the group VPN and VMware. You go through once and review it. Okay.
Yeah, let her post in
She
the
already
groups.
made she already made a doc in Canva only. She made nicely. It seems for me it's okay. See, for you,
Mm-hmm.
I want your review. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
I'll be
Okay.
sharing it now.
Yeah, you can share. I'll go through it later in part and I'll share the feedback.
Share feedback in the. Don't post in the group. Share it to me directly. Okay.
Okay, okay. Then
Anything else?
that's it from my end, sir. So yeah, tomorrow we could, or day after tomorrow, we could catch up again with the PPT, and that
Okay.
will solve the queries.
Okay. Okay. Yashashwini, is it good to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pradeep. Thank you for your valuable time.
Okay, sir. Once could you please guide me through that Zoom thing,
Okay.
so that next time I
Now
can.
only you go. Now only you go through. I'll explain.
1 minute. I'm trying to share my screen.
Okay, share it.
Is it visible?
No, I didn't get a request pop up.
Disabled.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
saying
yeah, yeah.
host disabled.
Yeah, yeah. I changed it. Now you share me. Share it. Yeah. Oh, you want to schedule on a browser? You can't, Pradeep. You need app.
I mean, like here also we'll get the options. So like I have done for a couple of times, but the timings that you said were not feasible. Like which you said, anytime, any point we can, right? Like be
No.
it half midway, 219 or 210 or 211. So
Yeah.
when I clicked schedule here, it was only showing me the timings that it has, not customized options of whenever I want to. So here I think.
Wait. Network is slow. Yeah.
So here, if you see, it is only giving me the half an hour, 1 hour timings. Okay, there's no kind of between timings that you can. Now it's 4:23. You can't apply that here. So that is where I have.
Pradeep, Pradeep, 1 second, Pradeep. If it give full access, Zoom, who will buy? Who will buy that product? You tell me. Why do they has to give you free everything? 30 minutes they are giving. Try to utilize it. That's it. See,
So
they
now
are
if I
making
enter now if it's 4:34 now and 4:24, then I should only take 4 o'clock as the slot and then utilize the that out
no.
of 40 minutes.
No, you can choose at any slot, but you can join at any time. It's not a big deal in that. But it is giving 34 minutes maximum for one transaction. Understood? If it give free means, then who will purchase, man? Be realistic, okay?
Okay.
Did you get my
So
point?
now for 4:24 I have to choose this either 4:30 or 4, right?
Yeah,
So if I choose 4, in that 24 minutes will be gone and the other 20, 24 to 4, 26 minutes I have to use, right? Or
yeah.
this.
No, it is not like
So
that.
60.
No, it is not like
Okay.
that. It will take for 40 minutes continuously on one stance. That
Okay,
is
but I
just
don't have that option of see. I have four over here. If I select four, you say 440 would be the last time that I could take up the session till.
till 4:40.
Yeah, but I'm already done with 420, no, 25 minutes in four, right? And in the fourth hour. So it could be
No,
like only
no,
15 minutes,
you
right?
misunderstood. You misunderstood. There, see, duration 40 minutes. It doesn't mean like 4:40. Where it is showing 4:40. It is showing like this session will take 40 minutes.
But time here is totally different, right, sir? It is not 424, right? From 424 to 440 plus 40 minutes is for like
No,
5.
no, it is not
But
like that. It is not like that.
okay, so in the fourth hour, it will just tell you fourth hour, and then from there you can
Yeah, yeah,
uh, uh, get till 40 minutes.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, so you can join at any moment and enter the pre slot or post slot, and then use it for 40 minutes is what you said.
yeah, yeah. That's it.
Okay, I was just thinking like as I entered four and it is already past, right? 4:26 is the
No, no,
time
no.
now, so I thought only 15 minutes will be left.
You are typical man,
Okay.
man. You are a typical guy. You are thinking too much. You are doing so many calculations on that. No, it is not like that.
Okay. So when we start from there only it will count for 40 minutes.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. It is
Okay, cool, sir.
asking.
Then okay,
It is asking.
sir.
It is asking at which time you want to start. Like, but it will take